Hi everyone, I'm your interview buddy Raghavi from Quantumnique. Did you know C is often called the mother of all languages? Let's find out why. C is the foundation of modern computer science. Languages like Java, Python, and Go were all deeply influenced by its structure and logic. It's powerful because it gives you a clear view of memory, pointers, and data structures. Master C, and every other language becomes easy. Think of it like this. Learning C is like learning how a car engine works. You might drive an automatic later, but C teaches you what's under the hood. From operating systems and embedded devices to game engines and databases, C is everywhere performance matters. Quick quiz! C is commonly called a middle-level language because it bridges high-level logic with low-level hardware. Did you get it right? Next one. C is useful for learning memory concepts, pointers, and data structures. The answer is all of the above. For more interview tips and code, check out our GitHub repo. Don't forget to follow Quantumnique. See you next time.